Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this AquaMiracle filtration, oxidization, circulation, UV light aquarium filter pump. This thing does a lot. So let's open up, see everything we get inside. Comes with an accessory pack that I took out already. So I'll show you each one of those. But this is the filter. So it has 3 suction cups to mount that properly inside. It has a water flow regulator. So it has a little arrow on this. So that would be max flow. So you can see kind of like inside there. And then it has basically 2 stages. So disconnect this bottom part and you can see that there is a filter media at the bottom. And that is your UV sterilization light. Then up here, it has another filter. And these are easy to clean. You take them off, rinse them underwater, kind of squeeze them out like any other sponge. And then that's the rest of the UV bulb. So let's plug that in and I'll show you exactly what that UV light basically does or how it works. All right, so you can hear the pump going. And then when we disconnect this stage, you can see that UV light. And basically what that does is it destroys any bacteria or like algae that's floating in the water, goes through, passes the UV light, and it's so concentrated that it basically kind of acts as a sterilizer. So pretty simple. So it comes with a spray bar that you simply insert here, and you can rotate that around in any direction so to maximize water flow. It also comes with this accessory. This mounts in here, and that little nozzle there is for an air hose that you put on top. And then you basically stick this outside your tank and it will help aerate the water as it goes inside. So let's use this feature, put it inside and get started. So you simply just mount it inside your aquarium, and then you can see how the bubbles are coming through. And that's from that little aeration piece. And again, you can put that off on the side out of the way. I just have it kind of like here for demonstration purposes, so you can kind of like see how everything works and operates. And then if you don't want this and you just want the regular flow, you just simply disconnect the air hose, and then you'll just have a basic water flow inside the aquarium. And again, 2 stages, so it's going to come in the inlets, filter through the sponge, go through the UV filter, kill any like the bacteria or anything else that's going to give you that greenish water. And then yeah, with the sponges we'll keep your aquarium super clean. Anyway, Brian from Gosh Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.